Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the delightful world of autumn decorations, and I'm excited to introduce what I believe is the best fall fireplace decoration you can get, the HUMINBO Fall Garland. This gorgeous garland not only captures the essence of the fall season but also transforms your living space into a warm and inviting haven. Let's take a closer look at this fantastic product. The HUMINBO Fall Garland comes in a pack of 2, each measuring a generous 5.8 feet long. What sets this garland apart is its beautiful design, featuring a blend of deep brown, orange, and red leaves. Each leaf is crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring they won't fade or lose their vibrancy. This garland even includes realistic-looking pine cones and white pumpkins, creating an authentic fall atmosphere that you'll love. What I really appreciate about this garland is its versatility. Whether you want to drape it over your fireplace, enhance your mantle, or use it to decorate your dining table, stairs, or porch, it fits seamlessly into any decor style. Its neutral tones blend perfectly with farmhouse, modern, or rustic themes, making it an ideal addition to any home. Now, let's talk durability. One of the standout features of the HUMINBO garland is its resilience. Designed to withstand various weather conditions, this garland can handle wind and rain, making it suitable for outdoor use as well. You can hang it proudly on your front door or patio without worrying about it losing its charm after a storm. Now, you might be wondering about the ease of use. This garland is incredibly lightweight and flexible, allowing you to style it exactly how you envision. Whether you want a loose, relaxed look or a more structured design, it's easy to manipulate into place. Plus, it's hassle-free when it comes to storage. Just fold it up and tuck it away until next year. Lastly, I must mention the value for money. Retailing at around $25.92, this garland is a steal, especially considering you get 2 pieces. This means you can create a cohesive fall look throughout your home without breaking the bank. In summary, the HUMINBO Fall Garland truly stands out as the best fall fireplace decoration. Its vibrant colors, versatile design, durability, and great value make it a must-have for your autumn decor collection. So, whether you're preparing for Thanksgiving gatherings or simply want to enjoy the cozy vibes of fall, this garland will not disappoint. Thank you for joining me today on Product Critique.